Manila, SEC registration number CN 2005-08989. Date of registration, 24th day of May 2005.
Sige.
Baba ko na siya. So, until 24th day of May 2055. This certificate of registration is given to the Swordsman chapter, headed by the chapter founder Samuel Garcia. Filing date November 30, 2025. Address 8th Avenue.
Hello. 8th Avenue, hello.
8th Avenue, Galaucan.
7 Avenue po. 7 Avenue, sir.
Last chapter.
7 po, sir. 7
Last chapter, flame of color, black, white, and red.
Hindi, yung kulay nila.
Black, white,
Green.
and red.
Green, sir.
Green,
Green.
green. Ang tanong lang yung kulay.
Yes, sir.
Green, white.
Cream, white, black, orange. Date of effectivity, November 30, 2025. Date of expiration, November 30, 2026. Name for opposition, KMM registration number PD 2000, number 00028, PD 113025.
Congrats. Congrats.
Diba?